Welcome to One More Bite, where we make some delicious recipes. Here we're making some great hot sauce. This hot sauce is spicy, depends how many Scotch bonnet you add. We're going to start with some carrots, 2 Scotch bonnet, and some red onions. And we're also going to add some cilantro. It's not going to be a tasteful hot sauce without cilantro, so let's add that up. And on top of that, we're going to add some vinegar. Vinegar will add a little acidity, and the water will just blend it in, make it a level taste. And then we're going to add a little bit of oil, not too much. And we're going to blend this, not blend it, but we're going to chop it. And I'm using the KitchenAid, great tool to have. Link is in the bio if you guys want to get one of these. But at the end of the day, this hot sauce is to die for. And here we go. Look at this. It already looks beautiful. Ready to use, ready to go. And we're going to just add a little bit of lime on there. And once you add the lime, just kind of stir it a little bit. And this, you can put it on your fridge. You can have it for about a week or a week and a half. And if you want to put it in a jar, mason jar, you can have it for about maybe a month or 2. And yeah, look at that. Follow me for more recipes.